episode of Villanueva North Insider for Grade 5 Science. Quarter 1, Week 1, Lesson 1 and 2. This is Teacher Lorena Isbuntag of Kalingagan Elementary School, your teacher broadcaster for Villanueva North Insider. Today's episode, we will be able to define useful and harmful materials, recognize useful and harmful materials, classify materials whether they are useful or harmful, enumerate useful and harmful materials found at home. Are you ready, grade 5 pupils? So, let's go! Hold on your notes and pens together with your modules, Quarter 1, Week 1, Lesson 1 and 2. Find a comfortable seat because I tell you, this is going to be awesome. Our lesson for today is all about useful and harmful materials. Now, get a sheet of paper and write useful or harmful on the line before the number. Identify the following materials. Write useful or harmful in your notebook. Number 1. Empty bottles. The answer is useful. Very good. Empty bottles can be recycled into other materials like pen holders, flower vase, and can be reused for another container. So that is why empty bottle is useful. Number 2. Fruit peelings. The answer is useful. You're right. Fruit peelings can be used as an organic fertilizer when decayed. So, fruit peelings is useful. For number 3, expired medicine. The answer is harmful. Correct, because expired medicine cannot be used anymore. It can be toxic. Number 4, scratch paper. The answer is useful. Very good. Scratch paper can be recycled. Number 5 is broken glass. The answer is harmful. Terrific! Broken glass is harmful because it can cause wound if you will not handle it properly. How well did you do? If you're able to get all the answers correctly, you did a great job. If not, don't worry because this is just a pre-test. Now, I am pretty sure you are more ready for today's session. At this moment, join me as we dig deeper into our new lesson. So, without any further ado, let us proceed to our lesson, which is all about defining, recognizing, classifying, and enumerating useful and harmful materials. When can we say that a material is useful or harmful? Materials can be useful or harmful. Useful materials are materials that serve its purpose. It can be used for other purposes. It can be recycled. It can be dumped straight into a landfill. It is something that can be recovered from the materials. Examples are scratch papers, fruit peelings, bamboo, candy wrappers, food cartons, tin can, shampoo sachet, and empty bottles. Those are the examples of useful materials. While harmful materials are things that should be stored carefully and must be kept out of reach of children. Harmful materials are usually useful materials too. Harmful materials are materials that are toxic to us, can cause injury, cannot be recycled, can pollute easily the environment, and cannot be dumped straight into a landfill, and take too much time to decompose. Examples are varnish, acetone, paints, insecticides, sharp objects, mothballs, muriatic acid, and gasoline. I have here a picture. At this time, you are going to identify which of the following pairs of materials are useful or harmful. We have a gallon of paint and an empty box. Which of the two is harmful and which is useful? The answer is the gallon of paint is harmful one, while the empty box is useful. For number 2, the pair has a pad paper and a bleach container. Which is harmful and which one is useful? The correct answer is pad paper is useful, while the bleach container is harmful. Third are a plastic cap and an empty bottle of muriatic acid. Which is harmful and which is useful? You got it right. The plastic cap is useful, but the muriatic acid empty bottle is harmful. Number 4, we have an old newspaper and a broken mirror. Which is harmful and which is useful? Very good. Old newspaper is still useful, but the broken mirror is harmful. We are done exploring the useful and harmful materials. Let us take a short break, and when we come back, we will have a recap of what we have discussed. Welcome back to the Villanueva North Insider for Grade 5 Science. Let us have a recap on what we have discussed. Useful materials are materials that serves its purpose, can be used for other purposes, can be recycled, and can be dumped straight into a landfill, and something can be recovered from the other materials. Harmful materials are materials that are toxic to us, can cause injury, can be recycled, can pollute easily to the environment, cannot be dumped straight into a landfill, and take too much time to decompose. Few more minutes and we're good to go. Let us check what you have learned in today's topic. Get your notes and pens and write true if the statement is correct and false if it is not. Are you ready? Let's start. Number 1. Useful material serves its purpose. Is it true or false? Number 2. Harmful materials are toxic. Is it true or false? Number 3. Useful materials cannot be dumped straight into a landfill. Is it true or false? Number 4. Harmful materials cannot pollute the environment. Is it true or false? Number 5. Harmful materials can cause injury. Is it true or false? Number 6. Useful materials can be recycled. Is it true or false? Number 7. Fruit peelings is an example of harmful materials. Is it true or false? Number 8. Useful materials take too much time to decompose. Is it true or false? Number 9. Harmful material can be dumped straight into a landfill. Is it true or false? And the last one. Pesticides is an example of harmful materials. Is it true or false? And now let us check your answers. For number 1. The answer is true. Number 2, the correct answer is still true. For number 3, the correct answer is false. For number 4, your answer should be false. Number 5, the correct answer is true. Number 6. The correct answer is still true. For number 7. The correct answer is false. Number 8. The correct answer is false. And number 9, the correct answer is still false. And the last one, number 10, the correct answer is true. For your assignment, you have to answer the following in your notebook. Enumerate 5 harmful materials and 5 useful materials found at home. I hope you're okay with your assignments. You may ask any member of your family to help you. And that was our lesson for today. It was a great pleasure being with you, grade 5 pupils. I hope you enjoy learning with me today. In order to succeed, your desire for success should be greater than your fear of failure. Until our next episode, goodbye!